Hi everybody. Today we are going to see the base oil machine from our Veera group. Distillation process is common between base oil and diesel is almost similar. The components are same. The only thing is we change the catalyst and a little bit modification in the system, not too much. We have the continuous and as well as the batch machine for the base oil, and we only make the base oil. Then from the base oil you need other component to increase the viscosity and also flash point, pour point, and those chemicals we don't supply, but still you can get it from outside. We can suggest some of them. So this is how our Veera machines could able to do base oil. This is how it works in our system. For making base oil you can use used engine oil as well as hydraulic oil, and also gearbox oil. The used one can be converted into base oil, and the raw materials are both the same for diesel also and base oil also. So our catalyst is our proprietary for making a base oil thing. If you like to order, just ping us in a WhatsApp and we are going to get back to you, and we will have a live demo call also. We are going to give the full virtual tour in our live call. Hope you guys will enjoy. Then if you are comfortable, then you can place the order with us. Thank you.